Hi guys, it's Ruby. Right now I have my phone propped up so we can actually videotape of me TPRing Gizmo. So what I would do is that for the temperature, I will have Desi, my assistant here, hold Gizmo for me, and we're going to perform a rectal temp. Usually the normal range is between 99 to at least 102.3. Anything above 102.3 would be considered a fever. Next, I will auscultate the heart and lungs, as well as taking checking his femoral artery to see how many counts I get for the pulse. Respiration, I'll be reading from him breathing in. And then I'll be counting the amount of times that he will be doing that. So the way that I would count the heart rate and respiration is that within 15 seconds, I would count the amount of beats as well as the amount of time that he breathes and multiply it by 4. So first, we will have a rectal temp. So what I have here is a cover slip, lube, and then my flexible thermometer. Mr. here is squeezing his cheeks. Okay, there we go. I'm in. Now we wait for the beep.
Good boy.
Right now he is at 102.4. It is a little bit elevated because Gizmo is feeling nervous. Okay, but usually if the temperature is elevated because of excitement or nervousness, the temperature would be repeated after 10 minutes along with alcohol on the feet and on the back and chest to try to cool down the patient. So next I'm going to be listening to his heart and then counting from the clock on the computer. Okay, so within the 15 seconds, I counted about 31. So give me one moment as I calculate how much that'll be times 4. So his heart rate is at 124 when I was counting and listening. So I would check his heart rhythm as well with the femoral artery. Okay, so it's more or less about the same this time because his little heart rate is going a little higher. Count at 33 beats. So let's see what that is within 15 seconds, 33. So that'll be at 132 this time because he's nervous. Okay, and then I'm gonna be looking at his little abdomen, and just within 15 seconds, I'm gonna count his breaths. So respiration would be at 28. So today the temperature is at 102.3 and it is 132.28. I'm not very sure what was the temperature again, but I'm going to take it so I know. Typically, we're supposed to pay attention the first time, but this time I didn't, so I'm going to repeat the temperature just so I have it correct. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Gizzy.
I'm so sorry, Gizmo. I know, I'm so mean. "1025. Once again, we only do the temperature once. I repeated it because I couldn't remember the first time. Anyway, thanks, guys.
It's still going.
Well, I started over.